Flush your worries away. Demystifying the magic of septic tank treatment. Septic tank treatment is a process used to clean and disinfect wastewater from homes or businesses. The process begins by introducing bacteria into the septic tank, which breaks down solid waste and other organic matter. This helps to prevent the backup of wastewater and reduce odor. The treated water then flows from the septic tank to a disposal system, such as a leach field or drain field, where it is further filtered before reaching the ground. After the wastewater has been through this treatment process, it should be safe for release into the environment. The bacteria used in septic tank treatments are specially selected to break down organic material without creating pollutants that could be harmful to plants or animals. To ensure optimal performance of the bacteria, regular monitoring and maintenance are essential. This can include checking levels of oxygen in the tank, adding new bacteria regularly, and ensuring that the level of sludge buildup is not too high. Get your free report, Septic So Savvy, the ultimate guide to optimal septic tank treatment, by visiting the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like and share,